Hey singers, I hope you're staying healthy and well. I want to let you know first of all that I do have some new videos in the works for you and they'll be coming out soon. And secondly, I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be running some online workshops and masterclasses next month. The workshop is my Singing 101 workshop, which I've run a few times online and locally. And it's really geared toward beginning to intermediate level singers who want to learn a little bit more about how their body instruments are structured and how they function. So some essential anatomy and physiology. And we're going to be spending some time experimenting and exploring our bodies. We're going to look at body alignment, breath management, phonation, and resonance. And we're going to be doing some experiments and getting up and moving as we do this. The two master classes are related to each other, and they're both geared toward those of you who audition. The first masterclass is Master the Monologue, Rock the Audition. I've run this as a 6-week class a few times online, and I'm going to be taking that content and squishing it down into a 90-minute masterclass. Some of you may not know this, but I'm also an acting coach. I was trained in method acting and have performed in a number of shows, both musical and non-musical. And I work with a lot of students on getting the roles that they want, my professional actors, and also for students who are working on trying to get into the college musical theater programs of their choosing. So what we're going to do for this masterclass is I'm going to have all participants come in with a short monologue already prepared, memorized, and ready to go. And I'm going to coach you through that monologue, and I'm going to help you create a performance that is much more believable, much more authentic, much more engaging. We're going to talk about body position. We're going to talk about movement on stage. We're going to talk about gesturing. We're going to talk about pacing of your lines. And we're going to take you from a monologue that's just a monologue to something that really wows. And in the second masterclass, we're going to turn our attention toward the singing component of auditions. And clearly this is going to be more relevant to those of you who audition for musical theater productions, but also for those of you who want to be able to perform better on stage as singers. We're going to focus a little bit on the technical aspects of your singing, but really mostly on the performance aspects, giving your audience a really good performance. Making sure that you can connect really deeply with the lyrics on a very deeply emotional level, making sure that your audience is able to see that you're connecting with it and helping you draw that audience in. So those of you who choose to participate will come in with a 32-bar cut already prepared and rehearsed. You're going to have to produce your own backing tracks and play them from your end just because of the nature of a Zoom conference. And I will listen to you sing, and then we will work through those performance aspects of your singing. And for those of you who don't want to participate, you are more than welcome to join us. You do not have to perform for the group or for me. You're welcome to come in because I'm sure there's going to be a lot for you to get out of these masterclasses and workshops, even if you choose not to participate. To register for the workshop and/or for these masterclasses, check out the description section of this video. And if you are watching this on Facebook, I'm going to include the links in the post when I share this video. All right, everyone, I really hope to see you guys at these masterclasses or the workshop. And I'm really looking forward to getting to know you a little bit better and to working with you more one-on-one.